Hello and welcome to the Quick and Dirty Show with Nat and Marks. Today we're talking about a weight loss strategy and just something that we do just to make a simple dressing better. So one of the weight loss strategies that we teach is about eating on a continuum. And what that means is just how can you make what you're eating a little bit better? And the way that we choose to do our dressings a little bit better is to make it at home and make it with olive oil versus soybean oil or vegetable oil. Extra virgin olive oil is always going to be better if that's what your goal is, that you're just going to try to do something better today than you did yesterday. So Marks is going to walk you through his basic vinaigrette dressing, which is so good.
And so simple. So all we're going to do here is combine some ingredients. I'm going to use 1/4 cup of lime juice. You can also use orange. You can also use lemon. Any citrus will do. 2 teaspoons of dry mustard. 1/2 cup of cider vinegar. And 1/4 cup of maple syrup. And then what you're going to do is just blend that together like this. And once everything's all together like that, then you're going to slowly add your olive oil. That was 1 cup of olive oil, extra virgin, cold pressed if you can find it. And that's it.
So, all right, put the camera in. Let's just show. Oh, are you gonna pour it in?
Okay. I can.
Yeah, because I just want to show like how long that took. Literally less than 5 minutes to do all of that.
Yep.
How much is that everything?
Makes 2 cups.
How long would that last us?
Oh, if that's the only dressing that we have on the go, because we eat salad at every
night.
supper, every night, yeah, and a lot of lunches too. So it would probably last us a good 7 days with the 4 of us eating.
Yes.
So,
so
2
great.
cups.
So great. So this is only one of our go-to, or Marks's, listen to me calling it ours. Like, this is only one of Marks's go-to dressings. We have another dressing that is the one that we adore. And if it's not in the house, we're complaining about it.
We need to make some more.
We do. We're going to be, like, Marks is going to hear some complaints pretty soon because it is almost gone. Good?
Good.
That's it?
Easy, super easy. Don't get intimidated with it, and it's better than buying the stuff that's at the grocery store, the prepackaged process.
Absolutely. So so that's just one of the ways that we make our eating a little bit better every day. And if that's what you choose, I will include the recipe in the comments. And this is also the recipe that is in our cookbook. Should we tell them the name?
No.
Of the cookbook? No, we're not telling you the name of the cookbook yet. It comes out in, I believe it's down to 12 days now. Our cookbook comes out. So watch for that. It's going to be awesome. But this dressing recipe is in there. Remember, why settle for average when greatness is within your reach? Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.